Hello guys and welcome. It's insanely to see that I'm almost at a quarter of 100,000. It is a hard journey to reach the first 100,000, but this video is exactly for you. If you want to invest with small amounts and grow your portfolio and investments, maybe one day you can live with your investments and work from everywhere in the world and you don't have a boss or colleagues. Isn't that a type of freedom that you could achieve? So for this month, I don't have a lot of money left to invest, but the important part is even small amounts count. And I'm honest, this never happens before, but I forgot what kind of stocks I bought with the money that I had on my portfolio. For right now, I will invest around 300 into my stocks and ETFs. We will see, like always, a time loop in which I invest my money and have it on my broker. Welcome back to see the world in a lot of trouble. We have wars and other political issues, but exactly in this time I buy even more of stocks. With the 300 which I put into my broker, I bought pretty simple 100 in Amazon, and I need to go for that to the bottom, 100 in Meta and as well 100 in Microsoft. Does it look right now it was a good investment? I would say no. The numbers are red and all the three stocks which I buy heavily with the abilities that I have and my slavery salary, they are looking right now very bad. They are all in the red with a loss, but you have to think about it. These are high quality stocks. I can't imagine in the next 3 to 5 years or even in a decade that Microsoft, Meta or Amazon will stay the same. Is it a speculation? Yes. Do I risk a lot of things? Yes. Do I as well want to change again my strategy? Yes. And nobody can hold me. If we go back to the dashboard and look at my performance, I'm still in an overall performance of around 14.56%. We see red parts in which I lost and as well green parts in which I have a lot of profit and bigger returns. I want to be honest, this is already an achievement for my side. I never had so much money invested and working for me, and I wait until the moment happens that this money is working harder for my wealth than I am doing it currently. I would love to build something at the side, but it's hard if you don't have the connection, the people who are further than you or doing the things that you want to do. Let us see what the result will be, but it's still my journey to motivate you, inspire you, and show you what daily habits with small amounts could do over the next couple of years. One day we will maybe look back to one of my videos and see the journey, how I got even more wealthy, because it's depending on the point of view. I think I'm already wealthy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.